As students, already we discussed about the basic concepts of pair of linear equation. In this class, we discuss about how to solve the pair of linear equations by algebraic methods. There are three methods to solve the pair of linear equation. Okay, in algebraic methods. One is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. We discuss about one by one. First one is substitution method. In the examination, they are asking like that, find the value of x and y, otherwise solve by using substitution method like that. We have one question, that is x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay. Substitution method means either you take first equation or second equation. Here I take it as first equation. What we have, x plus y is equal to 14. This plus y come to this side, it becomes minus. X is equal to what? 14 minus y. Why I should take it as y? In the place of x, in the second equation I substitute 14 minus y. Okay. Otherwise we take it x also. We can take it either x or y on this side. Okay. RHS side. Okay. Here I take it as y. Plus y comes this side, it becomes minus. Therefore x is equal to 14 minus y. In the second equation, what we have second equation? X minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x, in the second equation, we have to substitute 14 minus y. Why I take it? Why I taken substitute 14 minus y? Because in the first equation already I take it as plus y comes this side, becomes x is equal to 14 minus y. In the second equation, in the place of x, I can substitute 14 minus y. Okay. I will go with second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x, I can substitute 14 minus y. In the place of x, 14 minus y. Already 1 minus y is there. You can write it as it is equal to 4. Plus 14 comes this side, it becomes minus y means minus 2y, 4 minus 14. Next is minus 2y, 4 minus 14. Okay, unlike sign, we can subtract, attach negative sign. Minus 2y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to what? Minus 10 by minus 2. Minus minus gets cancel. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Y is equal to what? 5. The value of y already find out. Y is equal to 5. Okay. We can substitute this one into here. X is equal to what? X is equal to 14 minus y. 14 minus, what is the value of y? 5. 14 minus 5 is what? 9. The value of x is 9. The value of y is 5. In the examination, they are asking find the value of x and y. Otherwise, they are asking solve the equation by substitution method. We can go with this like that. What is the value of x is? 9. Y is 5. We can check it. Okay. 9 plus 5 is 14, right? 9 minus 5 is 4. Hence, what we have find the values of x and y both are correct. Okay, verification. X is 9, y is 5. Verification. 9 plus 5, 14. 9 minus 5, 4 is right. Okay, this method is called substitution method. We go with other example. Here we have one more example. S minus t is equal to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. First one is okay. There is no need of problem in that first equation. But in the second equation, we have fraction like that. First we make it as whole. Okay, we have to take LCM there. What is LCM for 3 and 2 is 6. Okay. 3 2s are 6. It becomes 2s. 2 3s are 6. It becomes 3 into t, 3t. 6. This 6 is come to this side, it goes to numerator 2s plus 3t, 6 into 6. 2s plus 3t, 6 6 are 36. Next we have two equations there. S minus t is 3, 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay. We go with first equation. S minus t is equal to 3. Minus t comes this side, it becomes what? Minus t comes to RHS, it becomes positive. Okay, s is equal to what? 3 plus 3. 3 plus t. Okay, in the place of s in this equation, I can substitute 3 plus t. Okay. What is the equation we have? 2s 3t is equal to 36. 2 written as it is. What is the value of s here? 3 plus t. In the place of s, I can replace 3 plus t plus 3t written as it is equal to 36. Okay. First we can multiply 2 3s are 6. 2 into t, 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay, understand everyone? Next is, okay, 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 30. Plus 6 comes inside, it becomes minus 2t plus 3t what? 5t. 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to what? 36 minus 6 is 30. 5 ones are 5 6. What is the value of t? The value of t is 6. Okay. The value of t is 6. Already we know that s is equal to what? S is equal to 3 plus t. Okay. 3 written as it is. What is the value of t? Already we can find out. What is the value of t? T as 6. We have to substitute the value of t is 6. 3 plus 6 is what? 9. The value of s is 9. The value of t is 6. We can check it once again. We can use verify the answers. In the place of s, you can substitute 9. In the place of t, you can substitute 6. You can check it your answers either right or wrong. Okay. This is called substitution method. Okay. In that exercise 3.3, we have so many problems. They are all asking to solve the problems by using substitution method. Okay. You can solve those problems. Exercise 3.3.